Hey y'all, Craig with Small Town Reshopping with the Bickhams on YouTube. Let's cook some quick, easy chicken fajitas, y'all. I'm getting ready to chop my onions up. I've got my chicken breast chopped with some fajita seasoning and some ranch dry seasoning. Just dump the fajita seasoning onto the chicken breast, mix everything up with some olive oil, added a little bit more of my seasoning in, and set it off to the side and let it marinate. Let's chop all these veggies. 2 sweet Vidalia onions, 3 bell peppers, red, orange, and yellow. Get that skillet hot, just electric skillet. Let's get that chicken in there real quick. Leave it down so it gets good color on it, y'all. You can get you some brown color, so let it stay. Let's get all them veggies in after the chicken is done. Just take your time. Try not to spill too much everywhere. And just sweat those veggies down just a little bit. You want them, I like them al dente. I don't like them just to get soft and mushy. So just work all those veggies in. It's absolutely money, y'all. Add a little bit of taco seasoning of your choice at the end there, or getting close. On the veggies, I added a little bit of extra salt as well. It needed just a little bit of salt. So that helped out tremendously. These are super quick, super easy, great for low carb or even keto, dirty keto anyway. A little bit more ranch dressing. If you need to add a little bit of more olive oil, go right ahead. Mix everything up where it's incorporated good. Get all those flavors. Let them get happy together. It's absolutely very easy, even since I don't have my stove still, y'all. We gave my stove to my daughter. Low carb taco shells, 2 different kinds there. I wanted it a little darker, used a little bit of kitchen bouquet. Poured that on there, not a whole lot. It's only a couple capfuls, y'all. You don't add too much of that, if, just a couple. Stir it up. It makes a very wonderful dark color. Get ready once this is done, y'all. Make you a super, super good, easy, soft taco fajita. This is with chicken. You can use steak as well. We love these. One of our go-to easy suppers, easy meal. Doesn't take long at all. I ran in just from work to throw this together. Let's get it plated, y'all. Taco shell, sour cream. Put you a little bit. I use some light sour cream there. Get your fajita mix, your chicken, your bell peppers, and your onions onto your taco shell. Little shredded cheese. Let it melt. Fold that thing over, y'all, and it's absolutely wonderful. You won't regret it. I hope y'all give it a try. Check it out. I'm Craig with Small Town Reshop, and please subscribe to our With the Bickhams channel on YouTube. Bye, y'all.